G'day folks and welcome back. It's episode 100. I'm Casey. Today we're going to be doing a celebration for the episode 100. We're also going to be doing our 500 sub giveaway in what you have to do to enter to be in to win the prizes. Because it's our 100th episode, we have 3 prizes. So you've got more chances than ever. We have a first, second and a third. And we'll go through those shortly. What you need to do is subscribe to the channel. Also comment, which is more importantly, but also subscribe to the channel. Comment, give it a thumbs up and share it for me. That's all we need to do for you to enter in. If you enter multiple times, I am able to on the YouTube machine there to take out multiple comments. So feel free to just chat like we normally do or whatever else there. As long as you're in the comments, you're in the draw. First prize is going to be that Audi 1994 Audi Avant RS2 wagon. It's not going to be like that. It is going to stay blue. We're going to do the details on it. We're also going to do a wheel swap and put some Toyo peroxy tyres on there. Real riders all the way around on it. We're also going to put a set of number plates on it, and we're also going to then put the name of the winner on the car. So whether it's your channel or a name, we'll discuss that when you win that bit. So that's it. We'll be putting your channel and your name on the side. It'll also be then done in 2K clear. It'll be bolted all back together and put in a case. Right. So this is going to run for 2 weeks. So that's your first prize. Second prize is we will have, as you can see, it's a heap of wheel sets. You've got a gold set of 5 stars with low profiles. You've got a chrome set. You've got a red set of 8 spoke and an orange set of 8 spoke with monoblock Goodyear's tyres on it. So that's second prize. And you get 2 of each. So you get 2 orange, 2 reds, 2 golds, 2 chromes. So second prize you're getting 8 wheel sets. Third prize you're getting 4 wheel sets, and you're going to get 1 set of the red, a set in the orange, the chrome, low profile and the gold profile. So there we go. That's the first, second and third prize. Now going back to first prize, I've just got a sample what I'm showing you here. Now you all probably know how small that Mazda is, okay? And you'll see, that's what I mean by putting your name down the side. You see that there? I've got KC's Customs. So while we're talking about that, there, go over and join us at KC Customs on Facebook. But there you go. See, so but with a wheel swap, and we'll put your name down the side of the car like that there. So that's pretty cool, eh? Also, when I make that blue one there, I'll make 2 of them because I always keep 1 car for myself every time I do a build. So just remember, all you have to do, thumbs up, comment, because the comment is your ticket of entry, and share it, and please subscribe to the channel. Alrighty, so that's about it, I guess, for the 100 celebrations and the subscriber. So yeah, also we've got another little surprise coming right up after this. We have a new segment called What's in the Workshop. Welcome everyone to the first episode of What's in the Workshop. Well, today, as we all know, I had a bit of time off from YouTube, so we won't go into that. But I did enter into a few builds that I didn't get finished, so I am going to get them finished. And one of them is the 3 blind mice, the Monte Carlo build. Then also up there on the hoist at the back, you'll see up here, is the 1951 Hudson Hornet. These are the 3 blind mice builds that I entered into that I wasn't able to finish them. And also the Beefeaters here, that's the motorcycle. Well, that's another one. The other one I had that I just about finished dropped in the mud outside. Been raining here for the last 2 weeks, flat stick non-stop. We've got roads getting cut and all that sort of stuff, but we're all safe and good, so don't worry about that. That's not there. So and then this is just another little project there, FJ Holden panel van there, as you can see, the grey one with the mags there beside it there. I'll be building that up as a car that I built for a bloke who owned it in Inverell, New South Wales. So that's another job coming up back there. And also right up the back corner there, you'll see the 1977 Wesney Holden Ute. We'll be finishing that job there. We're pretty way through it there. You can see the wheels that are on it and all that sort of stuff. The Audi here closed here, well, that's been a job in the making for ages. That's just for myself. And I've got a little Dodge A100 pickup there beside it. So they're the sort of things that are coming along as we're moving about. I just apologise to everybody for a bit grainy. We just got to organise the new cabinet for this part of the segment. Excuse me. But also a massive big thank you to Simon at Hot Car Track. If it wasn't for Simon at Hot Car Track, I wouldn't have the intro, outro, and also what's in the workshop. He done all of those for us. Thank you so much. We're more appreciative than you can imagine, I tell you. The channel's coming along and it's we're all getting excited. So and my back's getting good, so we'll keep on soldiering on. All right. So that's what's happening in the workshop. Meantime, on every parts of what's in the workshop, we'll have different vehicles that we're working on in different stages, so it won't always be the same thing, and some of them will be a bit of an update of where they're up to on their different stages, because we do have a video coming out and we're going to convert that into one of my old cars. So that video's coming out, stay tuned for that one there. Alrighty, so yeah, big thing. Now if you slip over to KC's Kustoms, there's a guy over there, Douglas Gaffney, I hope you said his name right. Custom die-cast metal signs by Meakin. Now, if you see signs around Tune Tracks, Cars Canyon, all them sorts of places there, Hot Car Track, I don't think he's got any of them, but if he jumps over there, Simon, go and check him out. I've told him to come and say hello to you. Yeah, so he builds pretty cool things. He's in the process of doing a sign for me as well at the moment. And also, these guys here, Zelda Diecast Racing. I said I would and I don't go back on my promise. They're calling for teams and drivers right at this moment. And this video is fresh of the day. Okay? Alright, so don't forget, like, share and subscribe. Enter the competition, the 500 sub giveaway. We appreciate every single one. All of our new subscribers as well as our old subscribers. We can't believe we're at 500 and going over. Wow. Let's keep it rolling and we'll keep it going. Alright, until then, take care, look after yourselves, and bye for now.